Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by By Dientsmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. A while ago, I purposefully integrated meditation into my daily routine, and the results were remarkable. It dramatically altered my outlook, transformed my everyday encounters, and deeply impacted my core. The capacity of meditation to catalyze profound shifts is undeniable. Albeit demanding unwavering dedication and commitment, this is precisely why I've embarked on creating a video series titled Delving into the Transformative Potential and Advantages of Meditation. In this video, I'm going to explain the importance of a mentor in meditation, a look at By Dientsmann's impact. In the pursuit of mastering any skill or practice, having a mentor can be invaluable. This holds especially true for the practice of meditation, where guidance and support from an experienced mentor can significantly enhance one's journey towards inner peace and self-discovery. Among the many esteemed mentors in the field of meditation, By Dientsmann stands out as a beacon of wisdom and guidance, offering invaluable insights and expertise to aspiring meditators worldwide. Meditation, while a simple concept in theory, can be a complex and multifaceted practice in reality. For beginners, navigating the vast array of meditation techniques, traditions, and philosophies can be overwhelming. Additionally, the challenges and obstacles that arise during meditation, such as wandering thoughts, restlessness, and self-doubt, can deter individuals from persisting in their practice. This is where a mentor like By Dientsmann becomes indispensable. With years of experience as a meditation teacher, author, and speaker, Dientsmann brings a wealth of knowledge and practical wisdom to his role as a mentor. Through his guidance, students can gain clarity on their meditation practice, develop a deeper understanding of meditation techniques, and overcome common obstacles with confidence. One of the key benefits of having a mentor like Dientsmann is the personalized guidance and support they offer. Unlike generic meditation resources found online or in books, a mentor can tailor their teachings to the individual needs and goals of their students. Whether someone is seeking stress relief, emotional healing, spiritual growth, or simply a deeper sense of inner peace, a mentor like Dientsmann can provide personalized guidance to help them achieve their objectives. Furthermore, a mentor serves as a source of inspiration and motivation for their students. Through their own practice and lived experience, mentors like Dientsmann exemplify the transformative power of meditation and inspire others to persist in their journey, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. By witnessing the progress and success of their mentor, students are encouraged to persevere and continue their practice with dedication and determination. Another invaluable aspect of having a mentor in meditation is the sense of community and belonging that it fosters. Through mentorship programs, workshops, and online communities, students have the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who share their passion for meditation. This sense of camaraderie and support can be immensely beneficial, providing encouragement, accountability, and a sense of belonging on the meditation journey. In conclusion, a mentor in meditation, such as By Dientsmann, plays a crucial role in helping individuals get the most out of their meditation practice. Through personalized guidance, inspiration, and community support, mentors empower students to overcome challenges, deepen their practice, and unlock the transformative potential of meditation in their lives. Aspiring meditators seeking to embark on or deepen their meditation journey would be wise to seek out the guidance of a mentor like Dientsmann, whose expertise and wisdom can illuminate the path towards inner peace and self-discovery. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.